Hello together and welcome to the How To Buddies. My name is Alpa and today we're gonna unbox the new Emporia Smart 6. You can see here the box is right in front of me and I think it's looking pretty good. And what can we see here on the side? On the side it says, okay, here you have a mobile phone for the 5G network. And on the back side you get some additional information. You have USB-C, you have 50 megapixels for the normal camera and 2 megapixels for the front camera. You have 6.58 inches of display, an emergency button, fingerprint and NFC. If you want to open it, you can see here a little hole, and then all you have to do is a little pressing, and then you can open this and another box appears, and you can open this box also. So let's put this to the side, and what we'll see here is first you get an information booklet. This is in German, but if you buy the international version, then you will get this booklet in English also. And the interesting thing is here, if you look at other producers of smartphones, they only put in some kinds of this here with the addendum, and we all throw this away. But here you have a lot of tutorials how to do things. Okay, so this is pretty cool. I like this one. And when we look here in the box, you can see, of course, the Emporia Smart 6. But on the left side, you can see here some special thing, and this is here a thing here that where you can put in your Emporia Smart 6. It will hold in and fit in with magnets, and then if you hold it like this, then you can see the buttons here will work and you will get a pretty cool screen. Okay, so we'll take a look at this one later on. And the second thing is you can see here a docking station, and I also find this pretty interesting because if you are older and you don't want to plug in every time here the power cable, then you can just put your Emporia Smart 6 here in the docking station and then it will work. And all you have to do is to plug in the cable one time here, and then you can place your Emporia Smart 6 right in the docking station. Okay, what we have also here is of course the power cable. You have here USB-A to USB-C, and interesting is that you have a USB-A cable here. I suppose that they have chosen USB-A and not USB-C because a lot of people have USB-A chargers at home, so you can use them also. And what we have here is some earplugs, and they also work with the USB-C cable. So let's take a look at the Emporia Smart 6. Here it is, and you can see all the information that I have told you before are also told here. At the side you can see the fingerprint sensor, and it's also the turn off and turn on button. At the top you see Emporia. At the side you have here the two buttons and the SIM card tray. At the bottom you can see here the USB-C place where you can plug in, and on the left side there are some additional connectors, so you can put this Emporia Smart 6 right here in the docking station, and then it will charge automatically. So this is pretty cool. And on the back side you can see here you have of course the cameras, the different cameras, and you can see here the button if you have an emergency, and how this works we will also show you in a later video. So this feels pretty cool, and I don't get here some fingerprints and so on, so the quality of this mobile phone I think is pretty cool. So this is the unboxing of the Emporia Smart 6. I hope you liked this video. In the next videos we will do some tutorials how to set up the Emporia Smart 6 and how to do additional things like inserting the SIM card and other things. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.